Good afternoon. It is January 19th, 2024, and today we had a big move up, measured move up. You can see from the overnight just a perfect measured move. Super strong bull trend right here. But let's go through this. I didn't see a whole lot that I liked early on. Unfortunately, this is how I had my trend line drawn in the overnight. You can see that midline working, so I do believe that's right, even though we had some breaks to the low side. But if you drag it down, it works too. At least it did on my other chart like this. Yeah, you can see that. So this is probably the way it should be drawn. So 5 o'clock comes in as we're peaking, and then there's just a sell-off. I actually like this. This one, I guess, yeah, I have to mark this aggressive. Sometimes these will fail on you, but it looks pretty damn good. Failed second entry long. And then you get this. Okay, so I guess I didn't see this stuff earlier, but you got a first entry, second entry right there off the trend line. Room to the midline, I believe. Yeah, room to the midline. Then we get a break and a move down. I don't think you want to take that second entry short. That's a doji after a bull bar. Then we get this. We get this break and this sideways stuff. And you actually get a double test right here, but you're still below the EMA. But you could feel it was trying to reverse, you know. First entry failed, second entry short. That's not the low of the swing. I don't think you can take this because it closes below the EMA. And then we get a news item that rockets it up, and we go sideways, sell off, test this price level again, and bounce. And you get this sharp move up. We find resistance here again, and we're just going sideways, flip-flopping. Second entry long, but this is in the middle of a range. And then you get this failed second entry short, and we're getting consistently higher lows here. So you might consider this. It is aggressive, but you got this 3 bull bar move. So maybe you consider that. This turns out to be a channel. You get a second entry long, but unfortunately that setup is just it's not a good signal bar. But it ends up shooting up. We get an overshoot, and you get this lower high. I like this on the range day. You know, you're playing this like a range so far. Better entry is probably this one right here, because you have the overshoot. I guess you don't have the break yet, but you know, looks pretty good. So anyway, we sell off, hit that measured move of this as a range. And then you get a first entry that's technically a failed second entry short. I like that one to potentially make a new high or just test the overnight highs. That's what I was going for. It doesn't do that. We hit that midline, come back, test that measured move again before bouncing. And really you could take that one. It's aggressive, but you could take it, and then we get a breakout pullback. Boom, rockets up, and that was a pretty intense buy climax. Then we get this double top, lower high, a lot of room back to the EMA. I like that one, and it sells off quickly, but everyone takes their profits, and then it's off to the races, and we get this huge rally, very strong. And you know, just buy any pullback really in this. And that's really all I like for the rest of the day. Let me just show you this rally on the 11,000 tick chart. Look at how clean that is. Once you see this third bar, you could just buy that. Look how tight that is. All bull bars closing in their upper third. Buy that, hold it, and make a profit. So that's what I saw. Here's the daily chart. Looks like we're going to close out of this range. This is the measured move of this. And honestly, this is probably not even it. It's probably like this. I think we're going to 5,000. We're finally breaking out. If we get a bull close today, which we might not, we're breaking out of this range that lasted a couple weeks. If that happens. So anyway, hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back Monday.